Hi, hello students. Welcome to our YouTube channel tchr with you always. So this is me Arjun Pavan. So thank you so much for giving lot of love for us for our previous video. So ಅದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು the most important again the expected diagram from the chapter human reproduction, that is female reproductive system ನ ಹೇಗೆ 5 to 10 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, so let's start with the diagram of female reproductive system. So first make an outline. Yeah, seems equal both the side. Okay. Better. Yes. Now you can complete this fimbriae, both the side, and then you can connect the ovaries to the ovarian ligaments, both the side of the female reproductive system. Then later you need to do the layers of uterine walls. Yes, went well. Yeah, fine. Then complete this layers. Yeah. Yes, here we go. So we are done with the diagram. So let us quickly label this. So the female reproductive system has pair of ovary, and a fallopian tube, which is also called as oviduct. And this fallopian tube has three major regions called infundibulum, ampulla, and the isthmus. The mid region of the female reproductive system is the uterine, and this uterine has three major walls. They are referred as endometrium, which is the innermost layer, myometrium, which is the middle layer, and the perimetrium. So you should not forget about the finger like projections. They are called as fimbriae. And yes, we have covered almost all the labelings. So this is uterine fundus, and this region beneath the uterine is cervix, and that is also called as cervical canal also. And then the end region of the female reproductive system is the vagina. So you should remember that cervix and the vagina together, they are referred as birth canal. So ನೋಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ within few minutes, within 5 to 10 minutes, we are able to cover up the diagram in a very easy way with all the labelings, which is most important 5-mark question for your most important 5-mark question for your examination, for both for the CBSE and PU board point of view. You have this diagram which is most important 5-mark question. So hige nama app nalli we have lot many things like 3D animated videos and also the live classes going on for pertaining to any of the topics. Adar jotege yav topic na hege simpler alli kalibodu, adar jotege hege diagram based diagram things galna easy agi madbodu anodra ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ we have a lot many things in our app, so you can have a overlook of it. So ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ next video ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Bye.